we're gonna sketch and color Simpson. You know the comic character from the show? Of course you do. So let's get started. Let's make the outline first. The face, the eyes, the mouth. So now we're gonna paint Simpson's face. Simpson's face is yellow in color. So we take the color yellow in a brush and we start painting it, starting from the edges first with gentle strokes. Make sure the color doesn't smudge over the outline. Be careful around the narrow areas. You can use the thinner side of the brush. Like this. Nice and gentle. Slowly. And then fill up the gaps if any. Like this. Now we paint the nose. The area under the nose. You can start from the edges and then fill in the color. Like this. Now fill it all over the face, around the mouth, on the chin. And the rest of the face, the upper lip, and the other side of the face, like this. Use the thinner side of the brush for the narrow areas like this. Make sure you fill up all the gaps here. Even it out so that the face looks even. Now's the time to do the eyes. We take the black sketch color fill in the circle here and the other eye. And now we darken the outline. We take the broader side of the sketch color and darken the outline like this. Make sure that you leave the painting for a bit to dry so that the color doesn't stick on the hand while we're doing the outline. Nice and easy. Just need to darken the outline. Make sure you use the thinner side of the sketch color for narrow areas like this. So you can draw the edges first and then fill in the color like this. This is going great! Isn't this fun? I'm sure that is. We do it all the way down here. I love Simpson's hair though, don't you? The ears. Now the edges on the face. right down to the chin. Make sure the color doesn't spill over the outline. Keep it inside nice and slow. The other ear. And the cheeks, right down to the chin. Fill in the color. Don't cross over the outline. Now the outline of the eye. And the nose. Nice and steady. And the mouth now. Simpson has a big smile on his face, which is good. Yay! Simpson is ready! Doesn't it look cute? Well, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Wow, kids! Fun and learn! Fun and learn! Please subscribe to our channel today.